Guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we're playing Inside Mine. Yes, we're playing another Minecraft map today. Okay, you know you're not supposed to see that, even though we haven't played in a while. Now I know what you're gonna say, Jaden. You haven't played a Minecraft map in a hot while. Shut. Pretend that I've been playing for like a long time still. Pretend I didn't take a short break at all. Just that's all you need to do. Have you pressed that subscribe button yet? Yeah, I'm looking at you. I'm looking at you. I see. So anyways, let's get started. Let's yeah, this is the demo version, so it's probably not gonna be the full. What is it? It's the basics, the rules, the preference, battles, battle. Okay. I can't talk. I can't even talk. Inside Mine is a game I have been thinking about making for a long time. Excuse me. Excuse me, what? A game? I thought this was like an adventure. For a while. Making for a long time, and I finally got around to making a proper version of it in Minecraft. It is inspired by Deltarune and Inside Out. When you throw the compass, it takes you to your options and select your menu. If a dialogue speaker is, this is the narrator. If a dialogue speaker is not important person. Okay, so it's different signals, the X and the brackets, bro. The brackets. No taking armor off of armor stands. Don't use compass in battles. So first one, I can't make any promises. Okay. Second one, okay, don't use compass in battles. Okay, that would probably break the game. Don't cheat unless absolutely necessary. Game mode A. Don't physically use items. Don't take armor off of armor stands. Game effects, POV off. Change text colors. I can't talk right now, bro. Download music. Just start. 14 pages. Oh, no. First of all, how did you do that? How do you make the item frame visible? I tried so many like that's crazy. Side Mine by Shooting the Breads. Nice name. Sounds very sleek. Okay, chapter 1. Let's go. Let's start. 6 days ago, an accident occurred. So I'm gonna read it out quickly. Okay. Oh. Wow. Oh, damn. Somebody did something really wrong. I got thrown out the window. On the 7th day, I got a call. Can we turn off chat? Actually, we can't. That would mess with the game. Inside the trip to the hospital. Yes, no more teleporting. Because I remember someone used that teleporting trap on me. Whenever I was on that one server, yeah, you know that one server from history, bro. In my channel, bro. I remember they just banned me for no good reason. I wasn't even the culprit, bro. I hated that armor so much. I still hate it to this day, bro. You are not that tired. Throw a compass to open your inventory. Put main weapons in the first slot. What weapons do I have, bruh? Okay, bruh. Put main armor in first slot. Remember your items. Let's go back. Okay, this is a TV. The only thing you get is the shopping channel and the news. Wow. That's a nice forecast. Pair black screen. This game. I don't think we're supposed to go there yet. Hold up. Check this here. Fridge is filled with iron. Yes, I can see that. You would start making pumpkin pie, but you don't know how. I think I'll need the resources for that, pal. But I don't have that, so. Yeah. Okay, what's number 2? This is apartment SB. Oh my gosh, the lag. Oh my gosh. Jesus. Oh, ew, bro. Ew, that was a. You know how disgusting lag is? Oh my gosh. Ew. What? How much commands do you be running? I'm back. But don't worry, that was some horrifying lag right there. I don't know what's going on. It's a child playing with a meat pad. No, but the lights are cool. Wow, that's a very dumb child. Anyways, so what is this? What floor am I on right now? Am I on the 4th floor? Like, oh, it's the 3rd floor. This apartment 3. Hey. Just kidding. This apartment. You got jokes now. Delivery for. Mud. There are a lot of sticky pistons here. Take one. How do I sticky piston? Wow, cool. Now, let me give him sticky piston. Yeah. I might get in trouble for that, to be honest. Anything else? Nope. I'm not missing anything else there. So I was originally on the 2nd floor. Oh my gosh. Yep, these are not as accessible. That's some nice decoration. No one uses these blocks usually. These blocks are so good that you can use them for like a bunch of decoration, fancy like art, you know, all that stuff. But no one uses them. Okay, Mr. Zombie. Poor Mr. Edna is so tired she looks like a zombie. A little bit too much like a zombie. I better get going. Memory chest. Remember your item. Why? Why? It's literally it's just a chest. Okay. I had completely forgot about memory chests. These things are cool. Okay, a little bit of advertising there. Door missing. Sorry. Does there really need to be a door? Hey, $1. Oh, I did just pick up money? Yo, let's go. Bus station closed till further notice. The bus is running really late today. Maybe that's because it's late. And maybe that's because it's closed. Due to... Hey, Jaden. Jaden Cools, right? Yeah, I read your file. Your friend was the one pushed out this window, right? Oh, that was my friend. This bus stop isn't operating right now, but I have a friend down at the cafe who has a key you can use to take the alleyways. Okay. Hotel closed due to the attempted murder of Todd Candle. X amount to not stay in a hotel made of sand. I made friends with someone named Todd, bro. What? They built the door stop right in front of the door. You applaud the construction workers for their stupidity. Yeah, I was wondering, why would you put that? Why is that in front? That is so stupid. How do you make it? Enjoy the sight of coffee. I'm glad that you're using it as half I remember I have a sticky list. There you go. Remember. Wait a minute. That wasn't there before. Dig through the trash. You're getting trash every. Found $1. This mess for $1. Well, I mean, it is my fault. But, like, I did just like throw through the trash and stuff. Yeah, but that was not there before. What was it? Like, roll back the clip, right? I don't know. a minute. Hold the phone. Nope. Something ain't right. Something ain't right. What is that door? What is that door? It can't even be placed on anything. There has to be something I missed in this room. Out of business. Yes. Sure. But how do I get up? Any invisible blocks? No. Nothing. Damn. I really can't get up. Okay. Maybe it's not even meant to be going up towards. I need to find something quick. Oh gosh. You have anything, bruh? No. Wait, I could have just gotten here. I'm so stupid, bro. Bro, I'm so stupid. Holy moly. Who are you, Talk? Cafe worker. Okay. Oh, welcome to Red Nether Cafe and Hotel. What would you like? Coffee. Give me some. I'm sorry, sir. You cannot afford. Wow. Who are you? You want a key? Why? Oh, I see. Okay, here you go. Right? Just make sure you stay away from any crazy people. Been having lots of those lately. Why would a random officer give me a... Oh, wait. I think it's because the other officer, like, telling him to give me the key. Never mind. I thought you were stupid, or you were an idiot for a second. To give it to a stranger, it's a complete stranger, and it's gonna use the washroom. Yes, I only went in the washroom to wash my hands. Okay. Yeah, that's what I thought. There we go. Let's get it. Okay. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing here. God, nothing here. Holy moly. Nothing. Nothing. Aha! Oh, it was a lever. What just... Huh? Wait. Hold on. I think I'm missing this. Is something changed, bro? Bro, literally nothing changed. What changed? I don't think I want to go over here. Oh, I can just come back inside. Nice to know that. It's a shoe. It's on fire and horrible. Yeah, that's one trashy shoe right there. Look at these streaks in the ground, bro. What? Yeah. I'm staying away from him. Axe crafter. Wait. Dan. Axes. Does he have a wooden axe? No. Then it's not mine. We are an axe crafting store, but the only supplies we get here right now is wood. So the only types of axe I can make are wooden ones. Okay, give it to me, bro. Pass it up right here in my inventory. I'm afraid I don't have $10. Darn. Where's money right? Who are you? And are you with the city officials? No. Yeah, sir. If that's the case, I need you to climb this and let me in from the other side. I would just climb it by myself, but my legs are sore. Can you put that axe away, sir? I don't know if I can trust the axe guy anymore, you know. I can't see garbage. I can't see anything. Are you kidding me? This whole time, I could have just pushed a button. I need you to calm down. You're holding the axe, and you're probably not in your right mind, sir. I'm off something. Well, I guess I shouldn't be too mad. You did good. Wait, after all, why are you following me? Dang. Just in case there's another button I need to press. Yeah, by the way, my name is Dan. What's yours? Jaden. Nice. This guy's following me now. This is weird. This is weird. This is weird. This is cool. It's a herd of boxings. Okay, follow me, sir. Bulletproof grab. Don't worry, my legs may hurt, but my arms don't. Oh. You got some tough power, bro. You got some arm power. Brute force. Yes, brute force. Who's this guy? I'm feeling kind of peckish. You can go get an apple from that tree over there. That sounds like work. Spiral Park. What? Oh, I see what's going on here. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's a button there. That can be annoying. So this is not a very easy puzzle. You hear a thump from behind the tree. You attempt to push the box, but someone put a tree in the way. You guys got jokes now. You got jokes. That's your apple? Sir, the apple looked crusty. You should go get an apple from the tree. That sounds like, bro, I have the apple in my hand right now. But I'm feeling kind of happy. Dude, I got you an apple. Take it. Take it. What am I supposed to do, bro? What am I supposed to do with you? Is there anything, like, ever inside there? Totally legal. Actually, this is probably totally legal. How legal? Okay. Piano. Okay. Why would you leave your piano out there? It's another trash can. So it spawns that. I'm gonna dig through it. Start digging through the trash can. Oh. You are getting trash over me. Knock it off. Why are you still digging through the trash? Damn. Okay, yo, chill. You are still. Oh no, it's one of those dumb puzzles the city put up to keep us from the alleyways. You found one dollar. We could just. Wait. That went by too fast. Hold up. It's one of those dumb puzzles in the city put up to keep us from moving through the alleyways. We found one door. We can just brute force this. You hurt your friendship for $1. Do I care, bro? Why are you getting mad at me just because I was thinking the trash? Not that bad. I'll try to solve the puzzle. Okay then, if you want to try. Okay. Now I know you guys saw that, didn't you? You saw this man literally face through the blocks right in front of my. Dan, you're a wizard. You must be a ghost or something. Yo. Oh, you can climb block. Hold up. Did I just pose this guy? Hold up. This is weird. Yo, look at this puzzle. Flick the lever for every column that depicts a planet. I am stupid. Every column that depicts a planet. It's really. Whoa, maybe I don't give you enough credit. Oh, I did it. Yeah, you don't give me enough credit. You just. There you go. Normal Dan. Service tunnel. Okay. Memory chest. Remember, don't worry. Put both a sticky piston and an apple inside the chest. Oh gosh, bro. Why you guys have these lying around when there's nothing inside of them? Oh my gosh. I don't want to miss anything. I want to be safe. Alright, screw being safe. Let's get out of here. So, what brings you to the alleyways? Don't get me wrong, it's not like I don't like you. It's just, why are you back here? Dude, I cannot talk to you in this position. I am zoomed too close to your face, sir. So I would like if you don't talk to me at this moment. I think I'm feeling a little bit woozy. Yo, get me out of this stupid sir. Hold up. I'm barely moving a block. This isn't funny. Oh my gosh. Whoa. I'm seeing everything. I'm seeing microscopic levels. Oh no. This is bad. I'm gonna throw up, bruh. Where am I? I cannot tell where I am. What is this? Bro, clear this effect, bro. Oh my gosh. Why do you need to add this? Okay, bro. Okay. I thought that would clear the... no, no! Why are you like this? Give me a freaking bucket of... Wait, no. I typed in wrong, didn't I? Pause. Oh. Oh my goodness. Thank goodness. Oh my gosh. That was horrible. That was horrible. Brings you to the alleyway. Don't get me wrong. It's not like I don't like you. It's just, why are you back here? Yeah, I know that Todd guy. Isn't he that guy who jumped out a third story window? Well, hey man, slow down. It didn't actually mean anything. I'm just saying. You think it was a murder, but they have no evidence, so wait. He's not dead? I fell from 3 stories up. Oh yeah. You can take the buses right now, because the bus furthest. You're moving on too quickly. Didn't we just come this way, bro? No. Didn't we? Oh my gosh! Let's go. One block. I caught you red-handed, phasing through the wall, sir. What you gonna say about yourself? What do you have to say for yourself? VIP's only. Alright. This is a loom. This is a loom that is facing the wrong way. Okay. This is a this is a loom. Wait a minute. There's $2 in the string of this one. It's a loom. What is this? What is this? This is not. Hold up. This is not a loom. 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 This is a loom. This one is really, really small. Come over here. This is a loom. 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 So you build your looms to microscopic sizes, and if this air particle of a loom, I don't know what you're thinking. What you think is there, but there's nothing but dust. Can you pose in a different way? Why do you pose like that? Why do you pose like that? Oh, it's a rat. Oh, it's a human. Hey, how do you like it? Yeah, how do you like it? What? Never. Look at the cute rat. Do you want us to call you cute? No, you are not getting away with it. Gosh. I supposed to beat you, bro? Oh my gosh. Part 1. Let's go. Got your. This is like an RPG. That's the rat's health. Partner fight. You gonna do something? Wow. The game is lagging. Okay. Okay, let's fight. That's some. Battle continues. Yes, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's fight. What do you like? Partner, I need a little bit of healing, partner. I got your back. Got your back, homie. Thank you, partner. Oh, please heal me more. Oh my gosh, we have to go back. I'm gonna die, yo. Killed the rat. Let's go! The demo playthrough is over. That doesn't mean you can't remember. Yo, that was funny. Okay. That was part 1 of this. That was part 1. We'll be waiting for part 2 now. Okay. That was funny. We were battling the rat. Stupid rat. So it was a talking rat. But I slaughtered it, bro. I destroyed it, bro. I sent the rat flying, bro. It should never attacked me at all. We could have been friends, bruh. We could have been friends. I don't know why it attacked me. That was funny as heck, really. Imagine a boss battle for a rat. I'm dying. I'm dying.